My Lord, my client, Mia Muhammad Nawaz, ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan, has filed against ex-President, ex-Army Chief, the dictator of Pakistan, that he has forcefully and unconstitutionally dissolved the elected democratic government. My Lord, trying to be not elected democratic government. My Lord, that man works against the Constitution of Pakistan, and according to 1973 Constitution, he should be hanged till death for the crime he did. My Lord, active also took steps to avail and arrest the elected Prime Minister. My Lord, elected Prime Minister, who is the organ of Constitution, who is the head of state, who is the chief executive of the nation, my Lord. My Lord, this dictator also started the Kargil war operation without informing the Prime Minister of the nation. We have suffered heavy casualties there, including young officers. My Lord, the man sitting over there is a killer of little children. He killed children in Uzbekistan. He should be punished. That's all, my Lord.
We didn't tell the court that it's like those are general to take the case. The chief of army staff is very respectable. The chief was on official visit to Sri Lanka and on his return, his plane was not allowed to land. In fact, his plane was hijacked. Point to be noted, my lord, that the general was not present in Pakistan at that time, and so-called democratic Prime Minister Mia Muhammad Nawaz, without dismissing the ex-chief of army staff, appointed new army chief General Ziauddin Bhai. Now I would like to call captain of that plane equipment. Is it true that on 12 October 1999 you were not allowed to land the plane?
My Lord, that's right.
So please would you let us know the story of that incident in detail?
My Lord, when we tried to land, we lost our contact with the control tower. The lights of the runway was switched off. It was a time of night, so we were able to.
What do you think, Captain, in your opinion? Was it already planned?
I think so, my
What
Lord.
about fueling the plane?
The fuel was about to end.
That's all.
Mr. Captain, I have that we lost contact with the control tower. What could be the reason for that? My Lord, that could be due to any technical fault, power failure, or it may be planned. Why to be noted, my Lord, this could be due to any power failure, or any fault, or any technical error. Mr. Captain, please let me know that PIA falls under which authority? I think it falls in the defense. Mr. Captain, you think so? It exactly falls under the Defense Ministry of Pakistan. If the Defense Ministry ordered you to move back to Colombo, then why didn't you move, Mr. My Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord. And if he will not punish him, he will remain the dictator of Pakistan. Now, with your permission, my Lord, I will call upon General Usmani, the export commander of General.
मुझे नीचे कर इधर मुझे नीचे कर
I was informed from GHQ. I was ordered from GHQ to take immediate steps and capture the whole of the Karachi and take immediate steps for the safety landing of our army team. That's all, my lord.
So, General, would you please let us know that at that time, did you had any contact with the army chief?
No, my lord, I didn't have any contact with the army chief at that time.
In your opinion, why army did this?
This was a total insult of army that army chief name was the hijacked by the ordinary person. This actually tried to hijack the state of army chief. Go, Musharraf,
go, Musharraf, go.
General, do you think that the Act of October 1999 was right?
No, my lord, it was not right. I admit.
What is the constitutional way to take over the democratic elected government?
My friend, it was also not constitutional. In fact, you can say all in all, Musharraf you.
Then why you did this?
Why I did this? Do you know what time I did with me? Insulted my land. I did it over 35 years of hard work. My lord, it was also not constitutional. In fact, it was damn personal. He showed his birth by doing so.
Excuse me, that's not the answer of my question.
Very more than answer. Then there is your answer. My lord, मुझे डर नहीं लगता क्योंकि
Oh my lord, this man is not afraid of anyone, even the law. Thank you, you may continue.
So would you please let us know that why you continued that government? My lord, I am neither the lawmakers nor the lawmakers. From overtime, the Supreme Court has declared that this act was constitutional and was absolutely right.
Mr. Musharraf, please highlight that exact conditions when you were in the plane.
Oh my God, it was a hell of an experience, my friend. I was cut off from all types of contact. Their computing and train was running out, and I was hanging in air without any tool and contact. I was totally unaware what was happening with me, and they were accusing me of arresting this person. I was not even expecting to live at that time. How can I arrest this man? There was social and political unrest, and martial law was already imposed before my landing. In simple words, it was an attempt to assassinate.
My lord, if we put all that aside, what General did, after taking oath of president, what has right? In Pakistan, the political assassination of Nawab Akbar Khan Bhupti, in Ramnathi Station, but in Islam Station, our constitution. How would you justify, General? How would you justify?
My lord, I can't justify it. My friends are talking about the Pakistanis. They are illiterate people. They do not know how to respect women who have given birth to them. Coming to this man, Bhupti, his originally was a god. My lord, वो जमाने चले गए जब गोली मारी और We are living in 21st century, and I want to add something over here. The people of North Pakistan, Pakistan were just suicide bombers. They were bloody terrorists. They were brainwashed there. So operation was necessary. How can you blame me? Can I kill innocent children? How can a child be innocent by holding a big weapon in his hand? And in the end, you are asking me about the DC. You people are trying to take over the government. Your job was to do justice and not to take over the government. That's all, my lord.
Why you continue on according to Einstein, the thought that these planning will fall partial after landing. So as the head of the state, it was my duty to prevent any social disorders and anarchy in the country. As I was elected Prime Minister by that time, I have a full right to appoint new offices according to my will. I object, my lord.
As you said that ISI has already told you that the general was going to impose martial law.
Would you please let us know that clear from your ISI at the time of Kargil war, and did not they told you what was going on in their Kargil, the holding of the United States?
Yes, Musharraf performance as a chief of army staff and president of Pakistan, my dear friend, first of all, eliminate the word of president and chief of army staff from this bloody Musharraf's name. Besides an army chief and president, he's not even a good human being. He has kept innocent people in Pakistan, innocent children, now President John when he did with the judiciary and media. It was a highly condemned act. He made mockery of the constitution of Pakistan and demeaned the image of Pakistan in front of the whole world. Yes, sir. Will you continue what he did with your family? Yeah, Musharraf, maaf kiya tujhe.
तुझे माफ करने का ऐलान करता है। मगर तुझे कैसे माफ कर दे जो तूने इस अवाम के साथ किया, इस 16 करोड़ अवाम के साथ किया। तूने पूरे पाकिस्तान को होम में रख दिया। पाकिस्तान को अमन करके बारा था, तूने इसको मैदानी जंग बना दिया। लाल मस्जिद के ऊपर बच्चे तलीम हासिल करते थे, दहशत करते थे कि उनका कत्लेआम किया। बता तुझे कैसे माफ कर दूं?
But what you did with the general?
You displayed his rank, you displayed his uniform, you displayed the whole of Pakistan army. You demeaned the head of Pakistan army before the whole world. Could you justify that? You can't You take all the Musharraf, you take all from Musharraf. Indirectly, you are a servant of Musharraf. All this is done by justice from you. What I think is part of the people, यही बात करता है। जब Musharraf के नाम पे